We're going to go over the stock Reddit, RDDT. Okay, there's a lot of chatter on TradingView about this stock, so I'm going to do another tutorial on it. Let's talk about time frames. Okay, what do we do on each time frame in our analysis? Well, the way I teach it at TrendCloud is simply like this. Highest time frame, you're looking at market edges, and you're going to look for the context of this trade. What is this thing doing on its highest time frame? You need to understand that in order to apply any trading strategy that you're using. So, 4-hour chart, we will look at the context of the trade and the market edges. The middle time frame is the 1-hour chart, and we're going to look at the trend. Okay, you can draw a trend line. You could use something like Trend Cloud. Okay, that gives you the context of the trade, of the trend. Okay, so we're going to be looking at which way is the trend going on the middle time frame. And then the lowest time frame, we're going to be drawing out supply and demand zones that break through structure. Okay, like you could see right here, this drop base rally here. You can see the first time. That this happened. Okay, right here. Just draw it like that. So the first time that this happened, you got a nice bounce, right? Sorry about that, guys. My mouse here is being a little glitchy. Okay, so right there. And we're going to make this green, okay, because it's a demand zone. So here you have a drop base, base rally, okay? This is a drop base rally with 3 basing candles, okay? And what did it do? Broke out to the upside. And look at this. Pulls back into that same demand zone, makes another move up, and slowly comes back down, hits this area again. The demand zone holds. And now it leaves, doesn't really leave in a flash, does it? It kind of meanders back and forth, gives a little bit of a spike, and then pulls back. Okay. And finally, we have broken through it right here on that 15-minute chart. Okay, so that's where you're going to be drawing those supply and demand zones to try and catch the continuing trend. Let's erase that for now. And let's go over here back to the high time frame. Okay, so a high time frame, I'm looking for the market edges, and I'm also looking for momentum. This is something else that I built. It's called a Trend Cloud Momentum Filter. It's going to tell me which way momentum is going. I also use a cycle indicator, okay? And when the cycle indicator and my momentum filter are looking like this, when they are lined up, you know that you've got a good amount of force to the downside here. Okay. Just wanted to show you that real quick. Let's put that away for now, and let's take a look at the market edge here. What does that look like? Well, there's not a lot of data here, right? So if we take a look here, like this. I'm just going to draw it out like that, okay? Go over here, and I'm going to extend this to the right. Extend right. There we go. And I'm going to make that red because this is a high time frame supply zone, okay? It's a high time frame supply zone. And what happened here? Well, depending on how you drew this, if we draw it like that, covering this basing candle here, price came up into that supply zone, made a little move down, came a little further into the supply zone, and made another move down. Remember, this is all happening on the 4-hour chart, the highest time frame. So each one of these candles is 4 hours. Don't forget that. Now, makes a nice move down, comes almost to the top, breaks down a little bit. So you can see how powerful this zone has treated us. What happened now? We've broken through that high time frame supply zone. Aha, okay. When do we start adding other information to this? Well, double click onto your chart. If you have Trend Cloud, you'll see cycling down, right? Momentum is down, and we're inside of this supply zone now. So even though we've broken through it, we've got a lot of downward pressure here. All right, keep that in the back of your mind. Okay, we're putting all of the pieces together, and I go over that in the free trade plan that you can find on my profile here. Okay, so where are we at as far as trend goes on the 1 hour chart? Let's open this up and let's take a look. Well, this is clearly up, isn't it? You can draw a trend line if you want manually. Start here and just start connecting points. Okay, I kind of like that. That looks pretty good. Okay, so now you can see, whoops. Now you can see here all of these hits, right? Here we got trend line support right there, right? Come on. Trend line support right here. We've got trend line support right here. And right here. Okay. Now, what did this thing do? It broke, right? Right here. Broke through trend line support, and we also broke through some structure. Broke through some structure. Let's get our purple line that we like to use. Right there, broke through structure. So this is an uptrend, but yet we started breaking through structure. So price action is to the downside. However, price action is only a component of trend, right? So we can't really say that we have trend reversal here. And let me show you why. Go over here, put on your trend cloud indicator. And again, this is a system composed of 10 different indicators, and I have it on TradingView, but you won't be able to find it on TradingView unless you can unlock it. Okay, so if you want to know how to unlock the trend cloud system, just go to my profile and I will send you that info. Now, you can see here that trend cloud is telling us we have an uptrend, but we don't quite have a trend reversal yet. We've got nice signals to the upside, beautiful signals all the way up. Trend cloud signal made a nice move up, broke through structure, and now is starting to come back down. When will we have trend reversal here? According to Trend Cloud, it's going to look like this. And this is a very objective way of looking at this, guys. That's why I built this system. Here we've got an uptrend, pulls back into Trend Cloud signal. You can enter the trade right here to the upside. We hit this high time frame supply zone. You can use that as a target. And then we start pulling back into trend cloud, get another signal, and it fails. And what happens here? On that failed signal, because we're inside of a high time frame supply zone, this is to be expected, right? So on this failed signal, when we start breaking structure, candles start turning yellow. Okay, that's trend cloud telling you, hey, watch out. We are transitioning to the downside. Now you get that crossover plus sign, this black plus sign here. That's the trend cloud reversal signal. Candles turn red, and we're back in this to the downside. Pulls back into trend cloud, move down. Pulls back into trend cloud signal, move down. Pulls back into trend cloud signal, move down, and we retest. We do not break through structure. That's your first indication that something is up. Now, as we move up, we get a trend reversal signal here, pulls back into trend cloud, gives us a signal, and it's off to the races, okay? And then we just repeat the process. So trend cloud is giving me the play-by-play on the price action so that I can apply any trading strategy that I want. If you'd like more information on this, just go over to my profile here, click onto chrisgiuliano.com, and you will see the free trade plan and mini course on how to use this system. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next video.